cristales tinteados.
Casoleado con los cristales tinteados. Casoleado con los cristales tinteados. Casoleado.
Tell your nigga he could chill, he a has been.
What's going on, you guys? It is another day here at a video shoot, my friends. You know, it's your boy Jon Z. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. As you know, I am the plug when it comes to these videos. So right now, today, just got to the video shoot, and we're gonna do some BTS. As you know, that's kind of what I do. Rode the motorcycle here today, is being a video shoot too, so stay tuned. So this is the car that I brought here to the video shoot, and I also have my motorcycle here. This is the Lamborghini Urus, matte blue, and over there is going to be my MT-07 Yamaha 2020. Alrighty, my friends. That's the Dancer, right?
I don't think he dances, he raps though.
Yeah, he dances too. That's how I met him. He was actually, I was doing a photo shoot at the abandoned zoo, and he was there.
Talking about that.
He was there doing a shoot with his chick.
Alright, just followed
Very
you.
creepy.
Right,
Yeah,
I'm
like
like,
cages and stuff. I was like, I don't know if I like it over here.
I feel the soul. You should let Morgan do music video.
Yo, what's up? Welcome back to another Jon Z vlog. We're the main characters though, not Jon Z.
Look at my bike.
This is my bike.
Check it out. Check out my new bike.
I just took the training wheels off. Yeah,
It's fake carbon fiber, by the
yeah,
way.
it's just fake carbon fiber,
plastic.
but nobody knows the difference. Nobody knows the difference.
Doesn't start.
Doesn't really start.
No.
Yeah, no. What is this thing? From people cut me off.
And we'll actually pay you to take it off my hands.
Yeah. Well, like, let's talk about the real thing here. You know, we got
Yeah.
the Lamborghini Urus.
Jon Z.
Jon Z. You know, 2019. You know, something light today. Light work today.
Alright, you guys, so we are here in Burbank, and we're here at the video shoot. They're still setting up the lights and getting everything situated. As you can see, we brought the car out today, and we're just waiting for the artists to get here and start shooting some scenes. So today we're going to be doing some BTS. Thank you to Eric for inviting me out. You know, he always invites me out to these video shoots. So once again, I don't even know, I'm at a loss of words at this point. You got any questions?
How you feeling today? Oh my god.
Alrighty, y'all, so it's about to go down. As y'all can see behind me, they're getting everything set up. As I always say, I always like to bring y'all along these shoots so y'all can see what's going on and just get an understanding of what I do when I rent out these cars, my friends.
Got it. Yeah, okay. Alright, let me get it to one of the boys and then we'll go from there.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Okay, yeah, so I'm not used to this. Yeah. You're not used to it.
Alright, you guys, so I'm sitting here on the motorcycle. We're literally still here waiting. It's been about 2 hours now. It's been about 2 hours, and we've just been sitting here waiting for them to start the video shoot. They haven't started anything yet, but it's alright, you know. won't be the first time. A lot of times video shoots, things happen very quickly and sometimes last minute. So we're just waiting here and then let you guys know when we get an update.
Yeah, like
I'm not
Alex
verified.
insurance
I have my insurance will cover this.
So
That's why I asked, like, Morgan drives the cars, because it's like,
would you?
yeah, I'll hop in from here. Yes, because he has an umbrella insurance policy. So his mom, yeah.
Jesus. But you're just testing.
Nobody like sane really. His mom's an insurance agent.
Yeah, my mom did entertainment insurance.
Yeah, like she's not fucking around. She'll pay the extra $2,000 a year. See his DMs.
Oh, can't show you that one. Something might pop up now. Something might pop up.
Hey.
You never know. Can't be too sure.
Mr. Hall.
Wait, who's this coming up?
So yeah,
Con los cristales tinteados, porque siempre estoy fumado, cazuleado.
Pussy good, you a
Alrighty, you guys. So right now, I'm standing outside of the building. They're filming inside. Wiz Khalifa just got here, and yeah, that's one of those things about these video shoots is you just never know. Timing takes a lot of time.
Big J roll, think they swole. Got big cash so the bank don't close.
Casualidad por los cristales tinteados, casualidad por los cristales tinteados, casualidad por los cristales tinteados, porque siempre estoy fumado, casualidad por los cristales tinteados, casualidad por los cristales tinteados, casualidad por los cristales tinteados, porque siempre estoy fumado.
Okay, you can come with us, or you can stay with him. I think you want to roll Just you. Yeah, yeah.
Casualeado por los cristales tinteados, casualeado por los cristales tinteados. Casualeado por los cristales tinteados, casualeado por los cristales tinteados. Casualeado por los cristales tinteados.
That's a sick song.
Anything to say,
What's up?
Morgan?
It's the Jon Z vlog. We've been here for 8 hours.
Come with us. or you can stay with him. I think you want to roll though. Chosen few. Yeah, y'all.
Jon Z.
Yeah. I'm about to come outside too, right there.
You good?
Casoleado con los cristales tinteados.